vegetables. That's the one that people cut. All of them will fry them before we cook our rice. Like the taste will enter inside the rice very well. What we are cooking is not plenty, so I need to put the ingredients small, small, so that it will not be too much. How much is it now? Only oh, I'm coming. Yeah, you put your onions down to get the best taste of the onions inside your fried rice. This is my tatase joined with atagu and small onion inside. Why is that? Fresh tomatoes. I'm just putting them small because the rice we are cooking is not much.
Gracias.
My two tomatoes now. From there, I put my small, this is crayfish. Yeah, vegetables. I have my sweet corn too. So I'll be managing it because I'll be cooking plenty rice tomorrow. So I don't need to for this one.
Explain to them about this one. Some of them don't understand.
It's normal corn no, but they just package it. It's the corn that these people know. They just rebrand it and make it to look special. This is the thing that we all know. If we should buy the fresh one, they also used to rebrand it.
I can go and have this from the farm and do it.
Sesame oil, those that attended my class last time, they already know. This is just to bring out the taste. I know it's having one sweet taste. So you put it in your food, it will bring out one nice taste.